Good morning. You are most welcome in Dr. Saurabh's classes. In this video series, we are going to discuss a solution of the questions of the Olympiad examination, and we are continuing the a solution of a question from the previous video. And name of examination is the 2026 US National Chemistry Olympiad examination. Already we have discussed a lot of questions in this series, and you will take the proper solution of the questions on the basis of the concept. In the previous video, we have discussed the how to calculate the oxidation state in given compound. Okay. Now in this video, we are calculating the order, bond order. What is the bond order? According to the chemical bonding, bond order is the uh, quantity or the indication of the presence or total number of the bond. Total number of the bond. So how to calculate the bond order? You can calculate the bond order on the basis of the unpaired total number of the unpaired and paired electrons. Yeah? So now for this O2 superoxide, we will calculate the bond order for the superoxide. Superoxide means O2 negative. So how to calculate? So first we will calculate the total number of the electrons present in this superoxide. O2 has a, because of already we know that O2 has a 12 valence electrons. Okay, 12 valence electrons in O2 negative. Because of the oxygen has a total number of electron is one oxygen mass is the 16. Okay, now here the total number of the electron is 8. Okay, in their atomic number. And how to write the electronic configuration? So 1s square or klm value 2 and 2 and 6. Okay, in their valence 6 electron is present, but here the negative charge is present. 2 negative is present, that means electron will be the 4. Okay, total number of the electron is the 12 in the superoxide, and in the superoxide total number of the electron has a 13. Okay, 13. So now calculate the molecular orbital. Because of O2 superoxide is in the form of the molecular, we can calculate or write the molecular electronic configuration according to the MOT theory. Molecular orbital configuration. So how to write the molecular orbital configuration according to the pi bond sigma bond? Okay. Now here the sigma 2s, because of before that it is a balanced 2, and sigma antibonding 2s again 2, and then sigma 2p is equal to square, and pi pi uh, 2p is 4, pi 2p is 4, and pi star 2p is 3. Okay, the total number of electron 4 3 plus 7 7 2 plus 9 9 2 plus 11 10 11 and 12 13. We are represent the molecular orbital configuration like that. Now calculate the bond order. How to bond order calculate? With the help of the formula of the bond order, we can calculate the bond order. The bond order is equal to number of number of bonding electrons minus total number of the anti-bonding electrons. Okay, and divided by the 2. It is the formula for the calculation of the bond order. Now put the values of the total number of the bonding electron. The bonding electron 2 and 2 4 and 4 8. Total number of the bonding electron is the 8. Now calculate the count the antibonding electron. The star is the antibonding electron 2 and 3. Total number of the antibonding electron is the 5 and divided by 2. 8 minus 5 that means the 3, and 3 by 2 is equal to 1.5. The bond order is the 1.5. Okay, the superoxide bond order is the 1.5, and 1.5 is the fraction value. So you can calculate the total number of the bond present in a molecule by fraction according to the MOT only, according to the MOT, and the calculation of the bond order, calculation of the bond length, calculation of the bond angle, bond angle easily we can calculate with the help of the some MOT, molecular orbital theory concept. You can learn all concept in the video series of the Dr. Saurabh sir classes. Thank you.